In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a custom emoji in Slack. Slack Tutorial 2026. If you've ever added a custom emoji that's outdated, a duplicate, or just not used anymore, I'll show you the cleanest way to remove it so your workspace stays tidy. I'm demonstrating on the desktop interface, and the process is the same whether you're using Slack in a browser or the desktop app. Start by heading to your Slack home view, the main screen where you see your channels and direct messages. This is your starting point for workspace settings. Look to the left-hand panel and find the small settings gear icon. Click that gear to open your workspace controls. It's easy to miss, so take a moment to spot it in the sidebar. Next, hover your cursor over the option labeled Edit Workspace. You don't need to change anything here. Hovering simply reveals additional management areas. This is where Slack groups tools for things like permissions, billing, and, in our case, emoji. From those options, select Emoji. This opens your workspace's emoji management page, where every custom emoji is listed with its name, a preview, and actions you can take. If your workspace has a large library, use the search field at the top to quickly locate the emoji you want to remove. Searching by the exact emoji name between colons, or by part of the name, can save time. When you found the emoji you want to delete, click the small X next to it. Slack will prompt you to confirm, because deletion is permanent. Review the name and preview one last time to make sure it's the right one, then confirm. The emoji will be removed immediately and won't be available for new messages or reactions going forward. A quick note on access. You'll need the right permissions to delete a custom emoji. Typically a workspace owner, an admin, or the person who originally uploaded it can remove it. If you don't see the X icon, or you don't see the emoji section, you may not have the necessary permissions, so check with your admin. A few helpful tips as you manage your library. Verify similar-looking emoji before you delete to avoid removing the wrong one. If your team still needs the emoji but wants a refreshed look, ask an admin to update it instead of removing it entirely. And if you're maintaining a large set, occasional cleanups help keep search fast and reactions relevant for everyone. That's the full process. Open Home, click the Settings gear, hover over Edit Workspace, choose Emoji, and click the X on the custom emoji you want to delete. Thanks for watching, and happy tidying in Slack.